What's up, y'all? Mighty Trades back on the scene, helping you get this green. Now, look, I know I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back just dealing with a couple things in my personal life. But I'll be back trying to drop more gems, be more consistent. But today, we're talking about the biggest and most common mistakes of beginning and seasoned traders. I'm a seasoned trader and still struggle with some of these on a daily. Like none of this, I'm not gonna act like I'm just perfect. Like, it's psychological. I still deal with these things on a daily, but I've learned how to keep them at bay, how to keep them at minimum, and I want you guys to do the same because it'll greatly help you be a better trader and get you quicker on your success journey in this game. Because the game is only hard when you don't know, like, not to make all these mistakes. If I would have had somebody teaching me this from jump, I would have been way further ahead. But all these are crucial. You have to know all of them. I'm even leaving some out. But the first one, being too emotional. This is a big one. And this is one that I still struggle with daily. Emotional damage. It's not easy. You don't enter a trade expecting to lose money. So it never feels good when you lose money. But you know, it's part of the game. You have to understand that. Keeping like have a disciplined emotions, even when you're winning. Don't get overzealous. Don't get overconfident. And you start just doing anything and think you could just take crazy trades and you just 100%. Nobody's 100% winning, but understand winning and losing come with the game. Just keep your emotions at bay so you know how to take good trades. If you're too emotional, which when your money's going down, you will sell too early. Or if you're overconfident, which is also another emotion, you do too much and you also mess up the trade. So that's that. The second one is not checking the news. Checking the news is very important. As you can see, every morning before I trade, I check Yahoo Finance and J-Hin Investments. They let me know all the news that's going on for the week, for the day, by the hour. So when I check that schedule, I'm monitoring what time I'm getting in my trades, because I don't like taking trades during news announcements unless I'm trying to do a lotto. I'm trying to gamble the news, and because sometimes the news will greatly impact your trade. It could send your trade in your direction. It could send it up or it could send it down, especially during FOMC when Jay Powell speaks. If you don't know, you have to figure out who he is on your own time. I'm not explaining that in this video, but yes, checking the news is very important. Last week was the election. Trump won. I'm not going to get political, but once he won, the next day, even to this day, the market's been in a crazy bull run. Crypto market's been up. The stock market been up at all-time highs. And if you was watching news before that in that morning, you could have played your contracts, your plays accordingly. You would have made a lot of money. So knowing what's going on in the economy is very important. Checking the news is very important. And not the news like your Fox 5 news. I'm talking about stock news, economic news, not like the news in your neighborhood, not that. So Yahoo Finance, J-Hin Investments, those would be your best friends. So tap in with the news every morning before you trade. It'll help you make a bias about what to trade and how to trade for the day. Now, the third one, this is also one that I struggle with, is greed. Now, everybody wants to make a bunch of money. We only do stuff in this world to make money. You go to work to make money, you trade to make money. And then one thing I had to realize, a person can make $300 in 10 minutes trading and still won't want to take the money. But they will go to work for a whole day, and many of us don't even make $300 a day at work. So it's why are you comfortable going to work for a whole day and not making $300? But when you make $300 on a trade in 10 minutes, it's you want to keep waiting. You want to keep trying to see how far it will go. When your trade works out, take your money. Don't get greedy. That's how you end up losing your profits, or just and if you lose your profits, it'll discourage you. It's a whole domino effect that comes with being greedy. Sometimes you're gonna catch banger plays and it runs 1000%, but that's take what the market gives you. You don't want to get greedy. If it's $20 for the day, take your 20. That's a free 20. Show me a better way to make $20. You just at your phone or at your laptop, push a button, the money comes. There's no better way to do it than that. So don't be greedy. Even if you make $5, that's an extra $5 that you did not wake up with. Take your money. Everything adds up. If you can make $5 every day consistently, it adds up. That's free money. This is stock market is basically free money because it is literally you enter the trade and a couple seconds later your money start going up. You can't ask for more than that. So don't be greedy. Don't try to like hit home runs. Take what you can get. Greed is like, yes, it's a sin. Don't be greedy. Moral of the story. Now, number 4 is be quiet. When you're starting out trading, surround yourself with other people that understand or that want to trade or that is already trading. Because if you're trying to tell people about this and they don't understand, they are going to discourage you. Trust me, they're going to discourage you. If you're not producing the results that they feel like it's success, they're going to put stuff in your ear that makes you feel like it doesn't work. They're going to tell you it's risky, it's gambling. Like, you're going to hear a bunch of stuff. But if you be quiet about it and then you just pop out making a bunch of money, then they'll be willing to listen to you and they will understand. People have to see money for themselves. And I'm not even I'm not innocent of that either. When I first got introduced to this, I was skeptical until I seen the person who showed me make like $30,000 in like, I think it was one day. Like, he showed me the contract and the next day it was up 30,000. That's how I'm like, oh, this is real. So it's like, keep it to yourself until you can prove that what you're talking about works and that you can be an expert, because people will discourage you on your journey. So it's best you stay quiet. Just do the work on your own. Surround yourself with people who are like-minded and understand or want to learn with you. Now, number 5 is blindly following trades. I mean, this works in the beginning. Sorry about that. So yeah, number 5, blindly following trades. This works in the beginning, but you don't want to be breastfed by another person. The whole point of trading is to be independent. Get off the titty, man. Take the trades, like join a group or whatever, take the trades, but don't just blindly take it. Try to understand why they're taking the trades. Like, try to understand what is their method. Like, figure out how it works. Don't just like be like, okay, he said this, and then you just go about your day and then see if you make money. You can't make money like that, but the whole point of trading is to be independent. You're still relying on somebody else to make you the money if you're just taking trades. You have to learn it. Use the taking signals as like a stepping stone for you. Not like, you don't want to be breastfed, man. You want to learn this by yourself. Now, number 6, no specific edge or strategy in the market, aka doing too much. You have to have a strategy in the market. Like, that was my problem when I first started. I was watching like a bunch of YouTube videos. I was trying like a bunch of methods at once. I was trying to do supply and demand, support and resistance, this EMA, that EMA, VWAP. Yo, there's so many things you can do and none of them are wrong. You just have to pick one. They all work to an extent if you know how to work it. You just have to pick one. You cannot be trying to do all 7 at once. You're going to confuse yourself and it's going to hurt. It's going to make trading seem complicated. Trading is very simple. It's so simple, people feel like it's complicated because they can't believe it's so simple. Pick a strategy and stick to it. My strategy is fair value gaps. That's it. That's all. I have like an 80% win rate. Now, next one, full porting. This one is a big one. Full porting. Everybody wants to come in. I mean, obviously in trading, the more money you use, the more money you can potentially make. But if you have $1,000 to your name, you don't want to put the whole 1,000 into the trade because you can lose it and then you're broke. And how are you going to trade the next day? So don't full port. You have to, if you got to start off small, start off small. Don't, like I said, don't get greedy. It's okay to start off small. If you have 1,000, I would say trade with 500 and then risk only like 100 on the trade. So go into the trade with $500 and only risk about 100 or 150. So if you lose that, you still have, what is the math? About 850 to keep on trading. You can make way more than that. Don't full port. Leave that to the rookies, man. Now, next, no researching the markets. Listen, guys, you have to know what type of market you are in. It took me 5 years of experience to understand the market. The market is a crazy mother lover, okay? It's a crazy mother lover. It's a crazy son of a gun. The market has different conditions, month to month, quarter to quarter, whatever you want to name it. There's a bull market. Right now we're in a bull market because of Trump. That means all the stocks are going up. People are making money right now. There's a bear market. For example, COVID sent the market down to shit. That's a bear market. You have to understand what type of market you in, because you don't want to be trying to take bull trades and it's a bear market, or vice versa. Or there's just like a choppy market. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you have to know. You have to know what market you are trading in. You have to know the season. Right now we're in holiday season. So on top of it being Trump just won the election, it's also holiday season. So, the companies is making money, they pushing stuff out. You have to understand the markets. So that's a big thing that many people overlook. And this is more so, me personally, this one is probably the least important rule for me, because I trade price action, meaning I trade what is given for that day. Most people who do swing trading or long-term investing, this is a rule specifically for them. You need to know what market you are in. So if it's in a bear market, people who are doing long-term investments, a bear market is when they should start looking for opportunities to get in, to get these stocks at a low price, to hold it for the next months, weeks, years, whatever. So you have to understand the markets. And when it's a bull market, people who have been holding may have been looking to start taking their profits. Or if it's a bull market, you don't want to start dumping all your money in while it's a bull market, everything at the top, because eventually it's going to go down. That's not how trading works. You want to buy low, sell high, not buy high. Wait, what is it? Yeah, you don't want to buy high and then sell low. Come on, we're in this to make money. So it's very crucial to know what market you are in. Even if you trade price action like me, it's still very crucial. So yes, know your markets. That's not something you can I can literally teach. You kind of just have to get some skin in the game, get some experience, and then you kind of understand. Certain months do really well, November, December, January, holiday season, beginning of the new year. These months do really well in the stock market. During the summer, the stock market kind of sucks. My guess would be because, I don't know, people go on vacation. Maybe they're taking the money that they made all year and they spending it during the summer. So a lot of money leaves the market during the summer. And in my experience, trading in the summer isn't that sexy. So yeah, that's that. Know your markets. What is that? Rule 7? Yes, Rule 7. And that's about it for now, guys. There's a bunch more, but those are the basic 7 you need to know, the common ones you're probably gonna deal with every single day. You open your phone, your laptop. Maybe another time I'll do a video with about 5 more. I don't know, but yes, get your emotions under control. Don't be greedy. Pick a strategy. Check the markets. Check the news. And if you practice that, you're gonna be golden. And that's it for today's video. I hope I dropped some gems. I hope this was helpful for somebody out there, even if it's one person. That's all I'm trying to do, is help who needs the information. I know somebody out there that I'm helping. That's what I'm doing this for. So that's it for today. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm gonna tap in with y'all later. Oh, and also don't forget to comment, subscribe, so I know I should keep dropping this. Now, later.